Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. Today's December 21st, and we're going to do a single seed challenge update. And we're sitting here in the shop. We've got a lot of our citrus and our figs moved in because we're going to have some cold weather, maybe single digits this evening. Now, this is our single seed challenge here. This is a grapefruit. It was planted from seed. January 17th was when we put the seed into the dirt. And it is now 43 inches tall. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to top this thing. I'm going to take out the little grow tip up here, just like that. So now it's not 43 inches, but what we want this to bush out more. Right now we don't want it to get real tall, so which that'll push some limbs out in this area. It'll force more growth to these down here lower, and we'll continue its cycle. But this will be the last update for the year, and we'll go back and see if we can't take a look at this whole process. And we'll kind of discuss what the single seed challenge is.
And I'll go through the events for this year's single seed challenge, which that's preparing the seed. And then, of course, we'll plant it in, or we'll put it in a container so it can sprout. And then we go ahead and planted it. And we've moved it up a couple of times. But anyway, the single seed challenge was started by Scott Head a few years back, the Black Gumbo Southern Gardening channel. And what it is a challenge for the grower to try single seed and follow it throughout its growth, whether it dies and then you've got to start over or whatever. But that gives you a better idea as far as what happens plant through its life cycle. And anyway, if you want to watch more of my videos on this, as I'll continue to do this one through the years, but I encourage you to do your own single seed challenge. But anyway, you can hit that subscribe button if you want to follow along, and there's a playlist at the end where you can look at each of the videos through this cycle. But I hope you enjoyed it, and happy gardening.